What is the best move in this chess position? And we are the black pieces. What should we do? Can you find a move? All right, in this position, our opponent has a queen on b3, a rook on d4, and this bishop on e3, and then this undefended rook on the e1 square that should give us alerts to our tactics. So in this position, what is our best move? Our best move is to take this rook on d4. And after we take this rook on d4 and bishop takes on d4, then we have the powerful move knight to d3, checking the king, attacking the rook, and this queen on e7 is attacking the rook too. So any move that white does, queen takes e1 is the next move. Pawn takes, queen takes e1. King to d2, queen still takes on e1 since the knight is protecting the queen in this position and the king has to take the knight. Yep, that's the best move.